The winter sun has well and truly started glowing for us here in Exmouth, and these slow ocean days have been so beautiful. We've been spending a lot of our time in the water recently, surfing and diving, but we've also been really enjoying our downtime in our little home too. Cooking and creating things from scratch has become one of our favourite activities since being on the road, so we're always experimenting with new recipes and are loving the creative process. Having my favourite ever meal, which is like a vegan creamy gnocchi and some fresh homemade bread. It's so good. What do you think? Tastes like actual bread.
Holy mackerel.
Made on a stove.
Wow.
Yum, 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 yum.
That's real bread.
The things you can make in a van, huh? It's real bread.
That's actually so good.
The sun sets over the sea up north here, and we've started making it a daily ritual to farewell the day by basking in the golden evening light. There is something so soul-nourishing about falling into the natural rhythms of the earth, and watching the sun rise and set each day has allowed us to do this effortlessly.
Very excited.
We've been in Exmouth for over 3 months? Over 3 months?
Yeah, 3 months.
Yeah, about 3 months now, and this is Reece's first time, my second time going into the national park. Mainly because we've just had so many other things on, but yeah, I'm excited. We're going to go and snorkel at one of our favourite spots, Lakeside, here in the Cape Range National Park. This homemade chai recipe is honestly probably the best chai I have ever had. My friend Kayla actually taught me this recipe and it is so good. I'll leave the recipe for it in the description if you want to make it yourself. Super easy to make, just blitz up all the ingredients together and then I just boil a teaspoon of it in my kettle. You can also add freshly grated ginger to it, which tastes amazing. We just didn't have any. Have it with a bit of honey or coconut sugar. Yeah. It's like heaven, homely heaven in a cup. Life has honestly felt pretty magical recently. The weather has really started to just get so beautiful. The wind isn't as bad as it was and the sun is shining, it's not too hot. And the sunsets, oh my goodness, have been so magic. Every night, it's like a glass off. I've also really been focusing on taking time just for myself out of each day. I realized that was like really missing from my life. Living like in such a tiny space with another person is fun, but you just kind of forget to just take a moment for yourself and reset back to your own energy each day. So I've really, like most mornings I've been trying to do some yoga or some meditation and a bit of journaling, going for like long walks on my own, which I love, listening to an audiobook, and it's just been really, really nice. Yeah, the days have been slow and very dreamy, and the winter sun, it feels pretty special. If this lifestyle has taught me anything, it is to truly live in the present moment. Everything is so temporary, so you learn to slow down and find gratitude in the simplest of things. Sometimes I feel I'm probably addicted to change, but the freedom having a home on wheels gives you is honestly magic, and it has truly changed our lives. Yeah, it's been pretty special.